Oh, this is a sap.
Oh my god, look at its
Yeah.
horns.
Okay, friends, why you...
Vamos ahí. Y ahora ves, nos destruyeron las hormigas, ¿no? Nos tenemos que quedar aquí porque si no, arriba no hay. ¿Sí? Pero no hay espacio, solo que llegan como quieran. Ya expliqué yo. Ah, ya. Oye, ven, ¿dónde es eso? Están aquí arriba,
There you go. Check. Other species. Mushrooms, fungus.
Oh.
Why?
Oh yeah, these are mushrooms. Right there.
The forest, remember friends, the forest provides everything for them. Food, medicine, colors.
I'm ready.
Go!
There you go.
Look how the stick is. She's holding on to the stick.
Yeah. Yep. Yay. Nice. Up. There we go. Wait. All right. There you go.
Ya, no estoy probando la radio porque no sé qué pasó con Luis, no responde. Well, it's wet. But imagine when it's dry, the sun travels long distance. So this is the thing, my friend. If you get lost, make noise. Then your friends, family can find you.
여기 바나나.
Be careful. Onions.
Wow.
Oh, hijo.
There you go.
Sometimes the hunter is like you, but with the, in the other hand, the blowgun.
Yeah.
Remember, people have to develop a skill.
One more.
A frog, yeah. But every time. Cuidado, se te escapa. But every time when we find frogs, it's a very good signal for us because it means that the forest is in good shape. It's healthy. You see the very good camouflage.
That's great camouflage.
We almost kill.
There you go.
Next stop, Peru. And then Brazil.
I'll be happy to see it.
And then the Atlantic Ocean. And then Spain.
Yay, rafting.
I need my passport, don't I?
Rafting.
In the river.
对，我在反派呢。
No migration farms.
Here's our great guy, Andrew.
Andrew, next time.
Thank you. You're wonderful. Yes. You're wonderful.
Trata de...
Time for rafting. Yay.
Buddy, I have a challenge for you.
Hey Jim, did you bring your rum?
From yesterday here.
Did you bring your rum?
Yesterday? Yeah. See if you find it here.
Me podría llevar yo allá atrás.
See if you find it. I challenge you. I'm challenging you.
Alguien liviano puedo llevar yo.
Look at him. If you're hungry, you don't have to worry here. Exactly. You like sushi? You like sushi? Not much. Have you ever had sushi? You know what sushi is?
Hey.
I don't. If I go with the way you want to make, not with the meat. Oh yeah, because I don't like the road weather.
Good, very good weather.
Can't complain.
So how do you get to Portugal?
Any complaint?
You're afraid of
Ah.
Body of water that's more than a few feet deep, you're going to have an alligator at some point.
It's true that you guys have great friends that wait.
Yeah, they usually farm them. You know, they don't take them out of the wild to do it. There are just so many alligators. I mean,
Now they're out of control.
oh my God! Well, if they out of control, they're just very good. It's a good thing.
Control are the snakes and the Everglades.
For the pythons.
Yeah, the pythons are really bad.
They have hunting seasons. They have like different times during
Bounties
the year. They
on
have like
them.
contests. One that weighs the most, one that's the longest. You know, and it's kind of sad in a way, but
It's not the snake's fault, but
yeah.
Yeah.
like in some areas of the Everglades,
That's raining.
you gotta press the red button.
Which region this
My bank is the river of the bank. I'm going the river.
the movie?
Movie, yes. It's very old romantic. It was in this ambience.
No,
Bollywood?
Bollywood,
Oh,
yes.
wow.
The ambience is like this.
I'm coming. Check.
Ja, Jimmy ist da
So quiet.
Yep.
Él es loco.
Muy loco.
You guys have Bollywood.
Sentar al final, ya.
Mm.
Be careful, be careful. Es que es por la posición.
Go slowly.
You oh good. You did.
I don't know, somebody else wants
Somebody else?
to finish with this activity? Somebody else wants to transfer?
Anyone
Yeah.
else?
No? Good? Okay, leave the boat.
Let it go.
Bye.